is one of my favorite ways of serving ice at a cocktail party. You actually put your ice in a colander or a mesh strainer and put it over the bowl. And then you can have some tongs or a big spoon because otherwise
it gets mushy.
It gets mushy, the ice floats around in the water, it turns into a big mess. This way the water comes out, the ice stays in there.
Right.
So that's a tip.
And in general, don't you think it's of benefit to any host to have a mixed cocktail so you don't have to set up a big bar?
Yes, that is the best way to sort of get yourself out of the party is to play bartender. You know, you sort of miss the whole party because you're behind the bar. So just do one signature cocktail. Okay, so you could do wine, like a white wine and a red wine and some, some sodas, and then just one signature cocktail. And I have one that I think you're gonna like.
Can I make you a drink? Cocktail, I'm easy.
You're gonna like this one. I call this the Indian Summer. It's a good time.
Oh, that's a beautiful name for this time of year. Yeah,
yes, it's a little bit summery and it's a little bit fallish because there's bourbon. Oh, I guess I'll make two here. Okay, so it's a shot of bourbon, all right, and then to that we're going to add some sweet vermouth.
I love sweet vermouth. It's a great mixer.
It's so good.
It's such a unique flavor. It's a fortified wine. It's delicious.
Okay, a little sweet vermouth, then a splash of orange juice. Now
that gives it that Indian summer glow. Yeah.
Okay, and then you can make a big pitcher of this, by the way, beforehand, so you don't have
that's great advice too. So then you're literally hands off.
Yeah, make a whole batch.
And you've got the one cocktail and the affordable white and the affordable red. You don't have to spend a ton. What is that?
These are bitters.
What kind of bitters?
Cocktail bitters. This is just a random.
I love Angostura bitters, but my husband has a huge bitter collection. I love bitters.
Okay, and then just to top that all up, give that a little stir.
Give it a little stir.
It's so good. And then you top it off with, it's like a Manhattan with
bubbles.
Orange juice with some seltzer water.
Nice.
Just to give it a little bit of. A little bit of happiness on top.
A little bit of happiness. It really does look like Indian summer. It's beautiful.
You can serve a maraschino cherry or an orange or not.
Cheers.
Tell me what you think.